Okay, let's go.
Just making sure.
Is it tickle?
Look, this guy has a blue eye. There we go. Look. Ah! On this one. Ooh, he's been really oh my god.
They talk about seeds. So I'm going to tell you a story today. What do you think about all these animals? No, it's okay. So you put it in your hand like this and then you hug it. I think a little like I have it. Ready? And you can like that. Do you like chicken nuggets?
I think I know.
Yeah, she is.